Hey everyone, I'm excited to tell you about Dynamo Purple Sunburst African Daisy. It looks like it's AI. It's not AI, it's a real plant. And maybe my favorite new plant for 2026. It's a brand new plant to horticulture. And if you loved Zion Purple Sun from our previous years, this plant is actually replacing that plant in our new catalog. And why did we want to replace it with this one? That's because Dynamo Purple Sunburst has an amazing habit. It's going to be an improvement over Purple Sun, and it has nearly the same flower color. So what you get here is a better plant with better branching and far more flower coverage on the top of the plant. These African daisies are troopers, and they just bloom and bloom and bloom. But truthfully, those flowers are like nothing else in the plant kingdom, and they're just such a treasure to grow. They look great in containers or small groupings in the landscape. They look great paired with other African daisies like Blue Ice, or many of our other pre-releases like the Salvias. This is a very exciting new plant. We know it's going to sell out. With a color expression like that, it looks like it shouldn't be real. And because it's a brand new plant and we found this in our travels, you get to be one of the first gardeners ever to grow this plant in your own landscape. So get your orders in now for Dynamo Purple Sunburst, one of the most exciting plants we've seen come along in a long time. And if you liked that Zion Purple Sun, you're going to love this plant.